This is the first stage. Okay, like I soak this pap. What is there is millet, dawa, and corn. So I soak it yesterday, and today is another day. So I want to sieve out this water. I want to wash out this water and soak another fresh water. Okay, so I'm about to prepare pap. So guys, welcome back to another clip. So today is the second day I soak this pap. So I'm going to be sieving out the water, okay? So stay tuned as I carry you along on the process of making pap, okay? Don't forget to give the video thumbs up. Subscribe if you're just coming across my channel for the first time. And don't forget to share this video. Thank you so much. Stay connected. Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to today's video. So guys, today is the third day that I soak this pap, okay? So today is the third day that I soak this millet, dawa, and corn that I will be using for pap. So as you can see, the foam on top of it is now bigger than the first day and the second day. So today is the last day. So I'm going to be washing it out. After this, now I'll take it to where I'll brand it. In the process, join me. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe if you're just coming across my channel for the first time. Hey guys, good morning. How you guys doing? Hope you are great. So right now I want to go and ground the pap, so I'm on my way. All right, so stay tuned. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe if you're just coming across my video for the first time, and you can as well share my video. Okay guys, so let's go there. So guys, this is already grounded pap. So I've washed finish. So I'm trying to squeeze out the water. Alright guys, I forgot to carry you guys along when I was sieving out the shaft. I've already thrown the shaft away. Please don't be offended. Next time I'm going to make full video about this process. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Subscribe if you are just coming across my channel for the first time. Thank you. Love you guys. Yeah, for the table. So I want to make this pap. This is raw pap. So I've turned it finished. So the next thing is to add hot water to get the real pap, the already made pap. So I'm about to so this is hot water. Hot water is on fire boiling. So I'm gonna on it. I'm gonna add it now. So I'm trying to turn it so that it can be smooth. Because when it's not smooth, if you pour hot water, it's going to get lumps. But when you turn it to be smooth, when it's very smooth, when you add hot water, it's going to come out perfectly smooth. Okay. So this is already made, but now I've added hot water. Okay, so this one I'm gonna be giving my kids. This it came out perfectly well. Yeah. So this is process of making pap. This is healthy. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Subscribe if you're just coming across my channel for the first time. This is how smooth it is. Yes, yes, yes. So I'm gonna enjoy this with I'll add sugar, milk, soya beans. Then I'll enjoy it with fried plantain. Come and join us, guys.